Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mr. Ali Haji Yusuf Isse. I am from UK, United Kingdom, England. So I came here in Istanbul for treatment. The clinic which I am now in is a Megadentist. It's a very famous clinic. So many other Somalis have recommended me, and I am very satisfied for the treatment. Me and my wife has received it. So really, because of good hospitality and good customer service, as well as reception, very nice reception. So the treatment is good, it's more sophisticated. We are pleased with the information and the treatment which I and my wife has received. Despite it was two different treatments, because I had only one root canal treatment and filling of the teeth that's been covered. So I'm very satisfied. Today is the final day of my treatment, and my wife had more severe. It was implant with a different upper and lower teeth, and she has done most of it, satisfied, and she's expecting to have the rest of her treatment within 3 months. Inshallah, we are willing to come back here just to finalize the implant. So Megadentist is a really more sophisticated clinic, which has got so many doctors, so many people experience it. I mean, has been working many years. So we're delighted with the service. We just met so many people from different parts of the world. I mean, mostly Somalis from United States, from England, from Europe, from everywhere. So, and they have chosen similarly as we have chosen or been recommended. And according to me, when I've been asked the service, I'm just recommending anyone who wants to be done dental treatment or implant to approach a Megadentist clinic, because the services which they have done, 90% of the Somalis are more successful and more, professional. So, and many people delighted in similar way as we delighted, and I'm recommending any other Somalis, either familiar or unfamiliar, to visit one time or approach if they have got dental problems to Megadentist clinic, because we come all the way from UK, and many people, they come from Canada, America. We met them here, all of them, different kind of treatments, and yeah, after we discuss it, and we are satisfied, all of us. So still there are so many people. There's also a Somali young lady, her name is Asia. She's a translator and interpreter. So doing really very, very nice work here, efficiently, helping with all other Somalis. She speaks fluently in Turkish and makes satisfies for all, facilitates all communication between the professionals and the customers who arrive here for treatment. And really, because of without her, this service was not being successful. So really, we appreciate her as well, and say thank you for all of them and all of us. Thank you very much.